I'm going to teach you Weebly Tutorial for Beginners 2021, Easy Professional Website. We'll start right on Weebly's homepage. Look for the Sign Up button and click it. This is where you'll create your account, and because Weebly is connected with Square, the sign-up flow may open through Square's secure portal. That's normal. Fill in your basic details and, if prompted, choose whether you're building a standard site or an online store. If you just need a portfolio, blog, or simple business site, the standard option is perfect. If you plan to sell products, choose the store option so e-commerce tools are included from the start. Before moving forward, you'll see a prompt to agree to the terms and privacy policy, as well as the seller agreement if you selected e-commerce features. Take a moment to review those, then check the box to confirm. When that's done, click Continue to move into the builder. Next, you'll pick the overall look and feel by selecting a theme. Themes control your site's visual foundation, things like layout, typography, and how sections are arranged. Browse the categories and hover over any style that matches your brand's personality, whether that's clean and minimal, bold and modern, or creative and image-forward. A quick tip here. Choose a theme that's responsive so it looks great on phones and tablets. Most current Weebly themes are mobile-friendly, but it's still smart to preview how content stacks on smaller screens. Click any theme to explore it more closely. From there, you can choose a template based on your content type: business, portfolio, blog, or store. Templates are variations of a theme tailored to different needs, so pick the one that gets you closest to your goal with the least amount of editing. Think about the pages you'll need, like Home, About, Services, and Contact, and select a template that already includes similar sections to save time. When you're happy with your choice, click Start Editing. This opens the drag and drop editor. You'll see tools to add text, images, buttons, and contact forms. You can rearrange sections and swap demo content with your own. If the editor prompts you to reload, simply click Reload Editor. That refresh ensures all the design assets and features load correctly, especially right after you've applied a new theme or template. From here, you're in a great position to customize your site content, fine-tune colors and fonts to match your brand, and save your work as you go. With your account set up, a theme selected, and the editor open, you've completed the essential steps to launch a professional-looking Weebly site with confidence.